The next item I would like to show you is the MSI Wrenchable P-hook. This replaces your standard P-hook and has many benefits over the standard P-hook. First, you will notice that it has a nice hammer point on the end to start the P-hook before you screw it in. Traditional P-hooks have a slanted side, and when you try to hammer them in, many times your hammer will glance off and can cause damage to the customer's premise. The other benefit to this, again with the one tool installation with the can wrench using the 7/16 side, is you can put the driver onto the P-hook and use that to screw it into the premises. Again, making it much easier for the technician. The third benefit you will notice is when using with the messenger drop clamp is that it locks into position on the wrenchable P-hook, so the orientation of the P-hook will not allow the messenger drop clamp to slip off after installation.